Hi, my name is Caren Rideau. Welcome to my house. I'm founder of Kitchen Design Group and I'm so excited to show you inside. You're gonna see my style at interior design, my influence as a kitchen designer, and my love for food, wine, and entertaining. So come with me. The first thing you notice when you walk into my living room, all the influence of my travels, of my culture, anything that is super meaningful to me. The rug I brought from Morocco, my beautiful pillow covers I brought from Mexico, and of course, I have to have a tequila bar in here. Tequila is very special. It's something I grew up with, but it is something that I can share with my friends and family, or even if I've had a bad day. I love books, and I really wanted to get a bookcase in here. Speaking of books, I have released a new book which really envelops all the things I love: my kitchen design, making wine with my partner, and entertaining at home. When I entertain my guests, we usually start in the dining room. Follow me, I'd love to show it to you. And welcome to my dining room. I love all of my dishes. It represents all of my travels. I could tell a story from every piece. This came from my mother. The flowers were hand carried from Portugal. Also illustrated in my book, you guys, is that we are vintners and we always greet our friends and our families with a glass of wine. That's what you'll always see in the dining room. We just love wine and it's a big part of our lifestyle. As an avid cook and a kitchen designer, we couldn't miss this kitchen. I am gonna cook up a little something for you guys later on, but right now I wanna dive into the unique parts of it. For instance, this mural, I hand carried this from Portugal and I insetted into a marble backsplash. It even has light cracks in here. I don't even know if I bought it like that or it came in transfer from the trip. This is a great transition space. I designed this little spot for a chopping board that I can easily lift in and lift out. And you know I had to have a little color. I had to bring in some red. I think I picked out the granite first and then matched the color of the cabinet to the granite because I loved this. Overall, this kitchen really functions great and can serve a lot of people. Entertaining is a key part of my lifestyle, and this courtyard is so special because we host all of our dinner parties here. I've just designed this wonderful pottery. I've collaborated with an artist in Mexico, Guanajuato, and he's designed these plates especially for me for my line. I did promise you a special treat. I'm going to make a little guacamole for you. The key to our guacamole is fresh serranos and place them into the molcajete. This molcajete, it's really special to me because it was handed down to me from my mother. This goes back to home and culture, and now I have a love for cooking. You can just start mixing this now. And then I'm gonna top some cilantro, freshly cut tomatoes. We should have the perfect balance here of the lime, the spice. Oh my God, that is so good. And my guests have arrived. I'm so excited. And I promised you guys some fresh guacamole. It wouldn't be complete without a pairing of our Sauvignon Blanc. To family, friends, good food, and of course, good wine. Provecho, salud.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.